Welcome back, friends. Today I'm making Mint Revival bath salts. If you know me, you've heard me say before, showers are overrated. I love a good bath soak, period. I am going to be mixing or adding ingredients to my container. You're going to see me adding and a lot of stirring. Of course, I'm measuring. You see a little bowl off to the side. So I'm going to just stop talking here and just let you view the process. I know I said I was going to let you enjoy the process, but when I taught my middle schoolers, especially when we were out during COVID on Zoom, they were like, "You talk too much." So I apologize. But one of the things that you're going to notice is that sometimes the powders tend to clump together depending on what you're using. So you see me trying to smash those little clumps out. I am not recording this, or I did not record this portion, but I even had to lift up the bath salts and then just run it through my hands so that I could make sure the clumps were gone. You could sift it if you like, but I didn't do that today. Of course, making sure that I'm using colorant in this bath salt. So I have to do a lot of stirring just to make sure the colorant is incorporated throughout the um the bath salts. When you come into the studio to make your bath salts, you don't have colorant, so you don't have that extra ingredient that's needed to help make sure that the powder is dispersed. You really need those extra ingredients, because if not, you're gonna end up with a colored ring around your tub. But the more I stir, you're gonna see the color being evenly dispersed throughout the bath salts. Finally, the part that we've been waiting for. Now it's time to decant. I first start off by putting the package on the container and zeroing out or tearing the scale. And then I'm just going to add the bath salts to the container until it's about 8 ounces, or until it's 8 ounces. And then I'll seal it up and set it off to the side. But here's the nice thing. When I have a do-it-yourself bath salt display here at the Makerspace, you can come in and you can make your own bath salts. Remember, we're not going to use colorants, but you can make your own bath salts. You have the option of putting it in the packaging that I have. But wouldn't it be amazing if you brought in your own beautiful container, you made your own bath salts, and you packaged it and you stored it in your gorgeous container so that you can place it in the bathroom, so that every time you were ready to have that soak, you just took a scoop of the bath salts that you created here at the Makerspace. Oh, I can see it. I can even envision that in your bathroom. You have to come in and try that Makerspace today. I can't wait to see what you create. At any rate, thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of the video. The nice thing about when you create here at the Makerspace is you don't have to do dishes. Can't wait to see you.